We would not be mistaken if we say that the liver is the second largest organ in your body. It expels toxins from the body and transforms food into energy. So we must make sure that this all-important organ is functioning healthily and is in its tip-top shape. The liver is able to process toxins and release them every day. But when the toxins are too much, the liver becomes exhausted and performing its tasks becomes more and more difficult. Here we're gonna see some important signs of liver poisoning. But before that, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to encourage us to keep digging up more interesting facts for you. Extra weight for no reason. The liver is responsible for the metabolism of fat, but when it accumulates toxins, it becomes difficult for it to burn that fat. This will result into an inability to lose weight, despite the commitment to diet and exercise. When the liver works too much, or when it gets damaged, it becomes prone to the body toxins attack, and it begins storing fat cells to purify the body and cleanse the blood from those toxins. If you have weight gain which does not have a clear cause of it, it may be a sign of a liver damage. Allergies. When the liver is functioning properly, it creates antibodies that fight allergens. But if the body is fatigued by toxins, the production of histamine increases unceasingly. If you have a permanent feeling of itchiness in your skin, it means that the liver is not working properly and the toxins are accumulated in the blood more than the tolerated levels. If the liver is busy resisting something else or has too much accumulated toxins, this will cause an allergy that can hardly be eliminated. If you constantly feel itchy, you better go see the doctor. Maybe it is a result of something much simpler than liver poisoning, and it never hurts to ask for reassurance. Excessive sweating and breath and body odors. If you suffer from excessive gases on a daily basis, you should pay good attention, as the reason is that the liver is not functioning well. If it does not work as it is supposed to, the toxins will start to accumulate. For example, if you brush your teeth and mouth continuously and it still smells bad, it may be because the liver has been damaged and toxins are starting to build up. Another sign of built-up liver toxins is the feeling of overheating, which means the toxins are accumulating in the liver more than the usual, resulting in excessive sweat and bad breath odor. Constant fatigue. Toxins disrupt the metabolism of muscles, leading to pain and physical fatigue. As toxins increase in the liver, the ability to clear the blood decreases and it becomes difficult to maintain pure oxygen in the body cells. So the physical and mental performance will diminish, causing problems in memory, concentration, and sleep. Eyes and skin getting yellow. This is one of the most important signs to consider. The cause of yellowing of the white of the eyes, also known as jaundice, yellowing of skin and nails, the cause is the piling up of yellow pigments in the body. Usually the liver resists this, but when it does not work properly, it becomes hard and even impossible to remove those toxic substances which accumulate in the body, leading to a pale yellow skin. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay healthy.